Hi, I'm Jessi Johnson with RE/MAX and welcome to 8775 Cartier Street. We are currently located in South Vancouver, 10 minutes from the airport, 15 minutes from downtown, and a stone's throw away from the beautiful and bright Marple Park. We're only minutes away from UBC, public transit, easy vehicle access, restaurants, shopping, etc. I'm about to show you a very, very beautiful condo located in a very quiet area that is less than $500,000 with a massive renovation. And this is a very unique property because there's pretty much nothing like it on the market right now. Okay, Google, turn on the lights. The owner of this property is a luxury electrician who spared no expense. All the newest technologies in Nest and Bluetooth and automation are in this home. He put over $60,000 in upgrades. Cool. There's so many awesome features in this condo. One of my favorite things is the kitchen. It's huge. I love to cook and hopefully you do too. The property itself is almost 900 square feet when you include the massive outdoor living area. If it was me, I'd spend most of my time out here. There's one parking spot, very low maintenance fees, extremely low annual property tax. This place is pretty cool. Join me Thursday, July 26th for a sneak peek of the property and then open houses on every Saturday and Sunday. I'm Jessi Johnson and thanks for joining me. Have a nice day.